Okay, you guys, now we're going to unbox Taken 2. This is the regular edition I got at Walmart. This is the 2-disc unrated cut, which includes alternate ending, Black Ops kill counter, and more. It includes the ultraviolet, which I will be using. I use my ultraviolet on certain films. The Edge of Your Seat Thriller of the Year. Here we have this one, Taken 2, unrated cut and theatrical version in high definition. Deleted scenes and alternate ending. Black Ops Field Manual. Sam's Tool of the Trade. FX Movie Channel presents and character with Neeson. Disc 2 is the Taken 2 theatrical version only and standard definition. Digital copy is Taken 2 theatrical version only for portable media players. It's rated PG-13 and unrated. It's made by 20th Century Fox. The doesn't say what a runtime is, so let's take it out of the slipcase. As you can see, let's see if we can find it. It's rated 14 in Canada, of course. It is 92 minutes. So yeah, let's open this bad boy. See what we get. Ugh. Of course I dropped the damn Blu-ray. That's an epic fail, right? It's been a busy day, people. I've been everywhere. Me and my girlfriend went to did some things. So this is the ultraviolet. Then you get a leaflet or for the following, a new Fox crime drama release. It looks like with Kevin Bacon. So can't really wait to check out that show and see what it's about. I'm sorry, I'm just lining it up here. And then you have your digital copy and DVD, plus the Blu-ray disc. And I haven't seen this before, but I heard it got crap ton of shitty reviews. I'm going to find out why later on this week when I go home and actually watch it. So that's my quick unboxing of Taken 2. Let me know what y'all think about this film, even though some of them are already dead in my Blue News update. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute.